Hello everyone, my name is Shabatish and I'm the developer of AutoRev web app. And so this AutoRev web app actually synthesizes the research literature review using the full text research article. So you can use the database that we have provided here, and that is the Scopus, or you can also upload your own PDF to get the written text or written literature review. So in this video, I'm going to provide you a demo of how you can use this app. So first, we need to create an account here in the sign up part. So first, let's create an account for uh, a test, and email. You can provide any email address like test@gmail.com or whatever your email address. Then you can feed the password here, and you can click here, and then again feed the same password, confirm the password, and then click on sign up. So this will create your account. So I already have an account, so I prefer to log in. So let's log in first. So this is our homepage for AutoRev app, and when you log in or when you log in for the first time, you will not get this page. At this page, you're locked due to the payment restrictions. Once you pay, then this page will get unlocked. So here in the payments, there are two options for 2 research articles on 5 research articles. You can select the articles here from 2 or 5, and you can pay with Ledger Pay here. You can click on the pay with Ledger Pay options. So here we have the profile section and we have the help part. So first let's start with the literature synthesis. So here we have the query section where we can enter our topic or any related keyword that we can choose. And if we want anything specific, then we can use the Scopus format like this one. This is the Scopus format. This is the Scopus format. You can use this to be specific about your any search keywords, or you can also search in general. Like if you want to search on any topic like nutrigenetics, and we don't want any much articles, so let's keep the filter to 2006 to 2007. Yeah, this is nutrigenetics, and just click on search. So it will it is actually completed the search, and this will start blinking, and you can download the search results from here. This is the Excel format, so you can access it here. This is the title of the articles that it has retrieved from the Scopus. So here are multiple articles. Total we have 190 articles between the year 2006 and 2007. So here from here we can select the articles that we want to keep it in our literature review. So here we have the multiple DOIs. We can remove those files that don't have the DOIs. So we can remove these, and we have currently paid for 5 articles. So we select nearly 10 and we delete all this. So these are the selected articles that we want to include in the literature review. So these are the article types here. These are the publication years, and these are the articles. So just save it and close the file. So we have saved our search results. Then click here on choose file and just select this updated CSV file. So this is the updated CSV file with reduced number of records that we have selected. Then upload the CSV file, and this is uploaded. Then this part actually retrieves the research article from the web. So there are multiple websites where we have routed this app. So we just click on retrieve text, and this will retrieve the research article. So it is showing the PDF retrieved successfully, and we can check if any PDF is retrieved or not. So it actually found DOIs. It actually retrieved 2 articles, and it have not retrieve these articles. They are actually corrupt files or something. the AI error. So it will also provide that it have retrieved 2 articles only. So we in current package we have the permission to generate review for 5 articles. But here is only 2 articles. So from here directly we can search or get the PDFs. Like here we have the DOI number from the articles. Like just we can perform a search here. Yeah. So this is long. So no issues. Just for another articles like this one. And this is also logged. And another one. So this is also, so all three that are corrupt are logged. So we can't feed these articles. Anyways, so suppose if we have the articles, then we can upload the extra articles here. Like here we have one of the systematic review on diabetes and upload it. So here we have uploaded total 3 articles. Like we have 2 records already there and 1 that we have uploaded. So total 3 articles that we have uploaded. So here is the fourth part where it cleans the text and extract the text from the PDF. So we just need to click on start processing. So it will actually take 5 to 6 minutes depending on the number of articles that you have uploaded. So currently the maximum number of articles allowed here is 5. So just wait. So it actually completed the text processing part. So the last part is the main part and final part that we need to focus on. Here is the part, enter your topic. So we have selected the article based on the nutrigenetics. So we can be as specific as we want. We can be specific on any diseases or any topics that you want. So here we just enter nutrigenetics. So this is nutrigenetics, and we just need to create a generate review. So make sure that before clicking on generate review, you must use all your PDFs that you have purchased. Like if you are paid for 5 PDFs, then just upload 5 PDFs here. Otherwise, this page will get locked again, and you will not able to access this page, and your number of PDFs that are left got wasted. Just create on generate review. So here is the instruction that generating review will deduct your paid balance, and please ensure a steady internet connection. So just click on OK. So this will also take around 5 to 6 minutes or less, depending on the number of PDFs. So here is complete, and the page get locked. So we can't have access to this page again until I will do the payment. So here is the part. It also get downloaded here automatically, and here is the option. You can click here and download again, and you can check the review. So here, this is the literature review that we have. This AutoRev web app has generated with the references, in-text citations, and we have the data also. Here we have the data part, and this is pretty good that we have generated just in 3 to 4 minutes. You get the written text of literature review using any AI model. So one more thing that I would like to add up here, that this AI generated text or AI generated literature review is subjected to AI plagiarism. So please rephrase it, or you can have any paraphrasing app that can rephrase this text before putting it to any places or using it for anything. So this is all about the generation part. So one more thing I would like to focus here, and that suppose you don't have a scope of search query, or you don't know how to search on Scopus, or you don't want to search on Scopus or anything. So here we have then options to just feed your articles and get the research literature review. So just here we have don't have a Scopus search query, then just go to step number 3 and upload your articles. So here this is the step number 3, and here we can just choose the article and upload the PDF. So we don't need to perform these part like 1, 2 and 3. This is retrieve text. And so if we have the article, then just choose the article file here and just upload it, and again start text processing, and then here we again like enter the topics like precision, nutrition and diabetes. Oh, sorry, diabetes. So and then again you can click on generate review. So this will also give you a generated research literature review, and you don't need to bother about this 1 and 2 part. This is all from the part of AutoRev, and thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy it, and this will save your time definitely. And thank you so much.